Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing my highly requested updated curly hair routine. So if you guys are interested in curly hair things, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Now, enough chit-chatting, let's jump right in. Alright, so I just got out of the shower. My hair is up in a microfiber towel to reduce frizz. I will list these down in the description box for you guys. I just buy mine on Amazon and they're the big ones, so they're super nice and easy and wrap up all of my hair. So what I use in the shower is every 2 to 3 weeks I will use the Dr. Bronner's. This is the PURE-CASTILE soap, and this is the one it's just hemp eucalyptus. I find that when I use an actual cleanser on my scalp, it really cuts down on the amount of buildup and the itching, so I don't use co-washes anymore. I just use Dr. Bronner's on my scalp every about 2 weeks, and it works really well for me. I'm out of conditioner actually, so I've just been using deep conditioners on my hair and using them to detangle. And the one that I've been using currently is the Eva NYC. This is the therapy session hair mask. It has protein and argan oil in it, and it repairs and strengthens your hair. I really like this. This smells amazing. And I've used it about 2 or 3 times, and it does a really good job of hydrating my hair. It's a really great mask. You get a good amount in there, and it works really well for detangling as well. I just put my hair up in a microfiber towel to soak up any extra moisture, because if I don't, then my hair will literally never dry. So I did cut my hair just randomly because I was over the long hair thing, and I cut about 4 inches off. So that's, if my hair looks a little shorter, that's why. But I'm actually probably going to cut a little more off. I know you guys love my long hair, but it's just too much for me. And I always wear my hair up. I never wear my hair down. I feel like if I had my hair more mid-length, I would enjoy doing hair videos for you guys. But it's such a hassle doing hair videos for you guys with the length that my hair was. It was just so long, and just, I was over it. I could probably have sat on my hair, and it's just too much, you know? So I am going to get my hair done tomorrow, and I'm probably just going to cut some more off so it's more manageable for me. Sorry, I'm going to tell you what I'm using. I am using the CANTU Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. This is the Sally Beauty size with the pump. I love this stuff. And I'm just working this through both sides of my hair with my fingers. And people like to say, they're like, why are you putting the product on the top of your hair? I really am not into like the super voluminous hair look, and I like to put product on the top of my hair because that's where I get the driest. So it just adds some hydration, and I find that I don't get as much frizz if I do it. I don't put like a ton of product there, but the top back of my head, like right here, is super dry all the time. And if I need a little bit of extra moisture, I will use the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioner. I love this stuff. I've been using this forever. And then I will continue to work it through. All right, now I am going to add some more to the ends of my hair. Oh, I can't even use this pump because my hands are so slippery. Now I'm going to go in with my Shea Moisture. This is the Curl Gel Souffle. Now I'm going to tell you something about this stuff. You do not need to use a lot of this at all. Actually, if you use a lot of this, you will hate it. It will make your hair super greasy, so don't do that. You literally just need, I literally just massage the top of it. A thin layer. Do you see all this hair? There's hair everywhere. Just get a thin layer all over your hands. Like, my hands are just wet. And I work this in the driest parts of my hair. So I work this in the back of my head, and I work it on my ends. And then if I need a little more, I'll go back, just stroke the gel, and then I will work it in my ends. This is a very hydrating gel, and if you use it properly, it's amazing. But if you put too much of it in, it will mess up your whole life. Now I am going to go in with hair gel. Recently I've been using for gel, I've just been using the BRIOGEO. This is like super dirty. Like super dirty because I use this when I'm doing my makeup. But lately I've been using the BRIOGEO Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Quinoa hair gel. I really like it. It has great hold. And I will take a good amount of that and I will spray some of my Carol's Daughter in there just to kind of thin it out even more. It is more of like a thin gel. And I will work this into my hair. I really like the BRIOGEO line. I've been using them for a while and I really like the hold of this gel. It's great. Now I'm going to take my knockoff Denman brush and I'm going to work this all through my hair, making sure every strand is coated. And also that the top of my hair is nice and smooth. Okay, now I'm going to take the knockoff Denman brush again and just work everything through, making sure all of the strands are fully coated. Now that everything is coated, I am just going to go back with my fingers and kind of break up the super structured look and just scrunch the ends of my hair. Okay, now that my hair is nice and coated, I don't see any frizzies and I'm satisfied with how it looks. I am going to go back with a little more gel and I'm going to get a little bit of water on my fingers and go into the front of my hair. Take it. Now to dry my hair, I've been using the same diffuser. You guys have seen this in almost every curly hair video I've done. I will list it down in the description box where you can find all of these products. So I'm gonna dry my hair. It's gonna take a million years and then I will be right back. All right guys, so here is the final look. This is my hair about 90% dry. It takes my hair a really long time to dry, so as long as it's about 90% dry, then I will leave the house. My hair is not soaking wet or anything, but it does take a really long time to dry. This is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this updated curly hair routine. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a new video. And let me know what type of hair videos you would like to see next down in the comment section. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!